Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Twitter to your Facebook account. So first of all, open your Facebook app. At the top left corner you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that. As you can see, your profile has appeared in the screen. Tap on see your about info. After that, scroll down where you'll see contact info. Tap on edit. Here you'll see different option. Tap on social link. Again you'll see option inside social link where you can select any of your app you want to connect with your Facebook. So here we are about to connect our Facebook with Twitter. So I'll tap on Twitter. Now tap on account name by the side of Twitter. Enter your account name. After that, save. So now you have successfully connected your Twitter to your Facebook account. I hope this video will help you. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.